Number 2 is Epson SureColor P800. The Epson SureColor P800 is another top-of-the-line printer that is perfect for printing high-quality stickers. This printer uses 9 UltraChrome HD ink cartridges to produce stunning results with deep blacks and smooth gradations. With its ability to print up to 2880 by 1440 dpi, the SureColor P800 delivers sharp, detailed prints that are perfect for professional use. The SureColor P800 also has a range of features that make it a versatile option for sticker making. It can handle a variety of media types and sizes, including roll paper, and has a maximum print width of 17 inches. It also has a front-in and front-out paper path that eliminates the need for rear feeding, making it easier to use in tight spaces. Plus, its intuitive 2.7-inch touchscreen display and wireless connectivity make it a convenient option for those who want to print from their mobile devices. So if you are inquisitive about this printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.